In a small coastal village where the sound of waves and seagulls filled the air, lived Sarah and James. Sarah, a kind-hearted librarian with a love for books, and James, a fisherman who found peace in the rhythmic dance of the tides. Their story began on a mystery morning when James, returning from a night of fishing, discovered a lost book on the shore. Determined to find its owner, he traced it back to Sarah's quaint library. Grateful for his efforts, Sarah invited James for tea, marking the beginning of a friendship as deep as the ocean. Days returned into Sarah's shared sunset on the beach, where they exchanged stories of land and sea. Sarah's love for literature found a companion in James' tales of maritime adventures. Their friendship evolved into a love that mirrored an ebb and flow of the tide, constant and unyielding. As seasons changed, so did their lives. James continued his fishing endeavors, while Sarah introduced him to the enchanting world of books. Their home became a heaven where centuries blended with the rustle of turning pages, creating a melody that echoed their unique connection on a stormy night as waves crashed against the shore. James faced the unpredictable sea. Sarah anxiously awaiting his return, found solace in an old novel. In those anxious moments, words become her refuge, and love transformed into a become guiding James back to the safety of their shared haven. Their love endured storms, both literal and metaphorical, as they navigated the challenges that life threw their way. Sarah's unwavering support became James' anchor, and his adventurous spirit brought an element of excitement to her serene world. With each passing year, their bond depended on, and the village whispered tales of a love as enduring as the lighthouse that stood tall on the cliffs. Sarah and James, weathered by time, found beauty in the wrinkles that told stories of shared laughter and silent understanding. In the twilight of their loves, as they watched the sun dip below the horizon, James said, "Our love is like the sea, vast and eternal." Sarah, with soft smile, replied, "And every wave carries the essence of our journey, creating an endless love story." And so, in the simplicity of their seaside existence, Sarah and James embraced and the magic of a love that transcended the boundaries of land and sea. In their small coastal village, where the sound of waves and seagulls filled the air, their endless love echoed throughout the pages of time.